Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So the Mercedes Benz 500E, and as you guys remember very well, if you guys are a regular follower of our channel, you might know right now we unboxed this in multiple colors so far. Whatever color came so far in India, we unboxed it, and I unboxed black color as well, which was gifted by one of my friend. That was a shortcut. That also I unboxed. So this one I bought it for MRP, which is 179. Again, this case has two bins, so please do not pay more than MRP. You will get it for sure. Cases are flowing in nowadays, so do not buy this from scalpers, or in general any Hot Wheels from scalpers. Everything is coming to market, so just wait, you will get it. Okay, so I personally like this particular castings, whatever color I unboxed so far. So I think I personally loved the green one very, like, so much. But this one is also really nice. The reason this casting stands out compared to the other one is because it actually has both headlight and tail light details in all the versions they released so far. So okay, there's a small paint bubble here on mine. I think the previous ones I never had. I really loved that these castings so much. I mean, just because that is also one of the reason. But given that my track record is not good for getting good Hot Wheels, I mean, I always get something, some issues with paint. So yeah, okay. This one actually has this. You can see the wiper fluid dots here. I mean, it sprays the fluid, right? And it has this wiper details also, interior details, and the paint job is really nice. And like I mentioned you guys, it has headlight details. Okay, see, the grill details are actually embossed and painted on top of it. That is really good. The Benz logo is really nice. It is well pronounced, it is not messed up. And even in the rear you can see all the detailing, which is really good. Here also you can see all the detailing well pronounced, it is not messed up or anything. This is why I really like this casting. So not even once they messed this up. Every time they did it very perfect. I don't know how they did it compared to all other castings. They every time they released this particular casting, there were no issues. Okay, it has rear view mirrors here. Okay, the body is fully metal and the chassis is fully plastic, and the rims are pretty basic. My only nitpick is they could have went with different set of rims. I think so far whatever we unboxed, everything, let me see. Yeah, the Feline Lucky has a similar set of rims, and the Civic Type R actually has a similar set of rims, only different. It is fully black. This one has chrome paint. Okay, only the BMW has a different set of rims. That looks really nice. So the paint job on this looks really nice. You can see the door handles here, that is well pronounced as well, and the interior looks really nice. So okay, the windshields are a bit tinted, but you can actually see the interior here, so we are good in that place. Okay, you can see the fuel filler cap here. It does have the detailing. So that's what I'm see, I'm not really fan of Benz, to be very honest. So but the older ones I do like it. The newer ones not so much. 36 grams, wow, that is heavy. It didn't feel that heavy in my hand, but it is 36 grams. Okay, let's do a roll test. Does roll really well. I don't see any issue. I don't see any wheel wobble actually. Even though I'm not a fan of this particular set of rims, it does its job pretty well. Yeah. Okay, let's rate this casting now. So honestly, I don't see any issues. If this paint bubble is specific to me, yours definitely won't have this issue. So don't worry about it. So I would give 10 out of 10 outright for this particular car. As always, I don't see any issue with it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.